Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. Yay. Are you popping? If you haven't got my I am popping merchandise, link is going to be down below. Make sure you get one and tag us on Instagram at I am popping. In today's video, there is this email that I get all the time, like every day. Okay, British and Chic, how will I do my client brows to be poppy? The reason why their brows is not poppy, like they say, they tried the brow pencil I use, the Rimmel brow pencil I use, they try everything that I use on my channel, still yet the brows is not popping, especially their client brows is not slaying to the god. So today guys, I'm here to tell you why. Okay, so this is it. First of all, yeah, if you want your brows to be popping or your client brows to be popping, I think it's a client now, because most people know how to do their brows, because if they are going for an occasion and they want their brows to be popping, they always go and thread their brows. So I don't think this is for individual. This might be for professional use, okay? So if your brows, your client brows is not popping, is not slaying, it's because you don't know how to shape the brows, okay? You don't know how to shape the brows, okay? A lot of makeup artists, they come for training, they come to train with me, and most times, in most cases, some of them does not know how to use razor to shape brows. They don't know how to shape brows at all. They don't know how to use razor. They don't know how to use tweezers. You just have to know how to use one of those, razor or tweezer or anything at all. But you have to know how to shape the natural brows itself. Before you can draw a perfect brows that is gonna be sleek, the foundation is very important. Okay, if you notice on my videos, I always use razor to shape my client brows. And if you take notes, you will notice that after I use razor to shape the client brows, the brows is already popping, like the brows is already looking sleek, okay? Even before I even apply the foundation, okay? So that actually helps me when I draw the brows on, because when I draw the brows on, because I actually shape the brows myself, I shape the brows myself to the shape that I think is going to suit the client, okay? Am I making sense? Oh yes, I think I'm making sense. So I shape the brows according to I shape the natural brows according to the brow shape I'm going to draw on. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. So this is why my brows always comes out sleek, okay? If your client come with her brows not defined, like she didn't go to tweeze her brows or wax her brows or any of those, okay? And she comes to you without that natural shaped brows, you're gonna have problem drawing a perfect brows, especially if you don't know how to use tweezer or wax or any of those things. If you don't know how to do it, you're just gonna manage the brows the way it is. So you're gonna start using concealer to correct the brows and all of those kind of stuff. So when you're actually using concealer to correct the brows, it might not come out looking properly defined the way you want it. This is why you see celebrity makeup artists, yeah, they don't always fail in terms of brows, okay? You know, celebrities, their natural brow is always groomed nicely. They have professionals like Anastasia Beverly Hills shape their brows, give them this nice natural shaped brows, So all the makeup artist does is to fill it in, and this is why they can get that natural sleek brows, okay, without even making any effort. But you that maybe you're just an upcoming makeup artist, okay, maybe most of your clients, they don't even go to the spa or groom their brows or do any of those things. Their brows is unkept, and then you as a makeup artist, you don't even know how to even do it yourself. Some of them will go to any brows shop to do their brows, and they might not even do it properly. You end up working with what you have and your brows will not look. I will advise you to learn how to use razor to shape brows, or use tweezer, or how to wax, or how to even, I don't know, just learn any method you can learn, but you have to know how to shape brows. Because sometimes even when my bride shape her brows or wax her brow or any I don't even know any method, I have to go back with a razor. So guys, that's it for brows. So now you know, if you want your brows to be slayed and to be popping to the gods, you have to learn how to shape the brows. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. If you haven't bought my I Am Popping shirt, more link is going to be down below. So yeah, buy your one and tag us on Instagram at I Am Popping. And if you want to follow me on Instagram as well, I have a vlog channel. Link is going to be down below. Also, registration link to my upcoming makeup training class will be available soon. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, follow me on all of my platforms to be in the know. Okay, so bye for now and watch my other videos. Yeah. Bye. Mwah.